Red lentils are a surprisingly potent ingredient for facial care. They are packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals that play a vital role in nourishing and revitalizing your skin. Using red lentils on your face can leave you with a radiant and youthful glow that seems almost otherworldly. But why specifically red lentils? Let's dive deeper. And a common pain point with most skincare routines is uneven skin tone and texture. Most of us are chasing that smooth, even, and blemish-free complexion. Red lentils can help with this by gently exfoliating the skin. They are granular enough to buff away dead skin cells, but still soft enough not to cause damage. For those battling acne or frequent breakouts, red lentils are your new best friend. They have natural anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe irritated skin. And it's astounding to think a simple legume can provide such relief. Yet here we are, and it's red lentils can gently reduce swelling and redness, making those surprise breakouts less daunting. Dry skin got you down, you know. Red lentils can swoop in like a superhero. They have exceptional hydrating properties that help retain the moisture in your skin. Many people underestimate the importance of hydration in maintaining healthy skin. Regular use of red lentil mask can transform dry patches into supple, moisturized skin with a soft, baby-like texture. The step-by-step process of utilizing red lentils for your face is simple. First, soak a handful of red lentils in water overnight. In the morning, grind them into a paste. This paste serves as your base for various masks, depending on your skin's needs. It's a straightforward process that integrates easily into your existing routine. To brighten your skin, mix the red lentil paste with a little turmeric and yogurt. Apply this mask to your face and let it sit for 15-20 minutes. Each component works to enhance radiance and reduce dark spots. You can almost feel a palpable difference after a single use, like magic. Those with oily skin can mix the red lentil paste with a touch of sandalwood powder. This combination not only removes excess oil, but also refreshes your skin, making it oil-free, yet not stripped of essential moisture. The end result is sort of balanced skin that doesn't scream oil slick. And pro tip, red lentils are cost-effective. If you're tired of shelling out cash on expensive skincare products that yield negligible results, consider this humble kitchen staple. A bag of red lentils costs almost pennies on the dollar compared to high-end creams and serums, yet offers amazing benefits. Combining honey with red lentil paste is a strategy for tackling tired and aging skin. The honey acts as a humectant, drawing moisture to the skin, while the lentils offer their exfoliating action. Your skin feels fresh and rejuvenated, akin to a spa treatment right in your home. In the realm of DIY skincare, time can be a pain point. Red lentil masks are not time consuming, and the results are worth every minute spent. Think about menial tasks like brushing your teeth or brewing coffee while the mask works its magic. A relaxed beauty routine. Hand red lentils work overnight miracles. Not quite, but with consistent use, your skin can certainly look and feel remarkably different in a matter of weeks. They offer tangible benefits without the harshness of chemicals. Your skin's improvement is gradual, natural, and most importantly, sustainable. So the next time you find yourself wandering the organic aisles or perusing your pantry, remember the mighty red lentil. And it's a natural powerhouse for anyone seeking to add a little extra vitality and health to their skincare regimen. Usually, your face and your wallet might just thank you.